Good day traders, Gakuna trading. Now we'll be talking about the inside day, what Al Brooks calls the inside. Stacey changed the name and he calls it the double inside day. Now we should know that I will repeat myself. I want traders out there to listen to the mentor's mentor, to hear what he has to say. Stacey is not the inventor of what he put out there. There are people who he learned from. So try to hear from them and you would learn a whole lot of stuff. Now, we have a trading range breakout, the topic today. We're looking at AUD USD, a double inside day, and inside. Now let's take a look at chart. Well, we have a trading range, a big trading range. You can see the market is ranging on the 4-hour time frame. Now we'll go to the daily. We look at daily time frame. You see the market has been ranging at that level. We look critically, we have a double inside day. Brooks calls it inside, where we have two bar, this bar and this bar completely inside of this bar. Okay, so it's an inside the double inside day. We want to sell below bear bar closing near its low. So identifying the signal, the overall trend before trading range is down. Brooks talks about area of agreement. If we want to measure our area of agreement from this chart, let's take a look at how that would look like. We want the 50% area to be here in the middle. Okay, on the daily time frame, this is just a measurement on the daily time frame. Now we project that, make sure it gets to the high of that day, and we extend it to the middle area of the agreement. Is equivalent to the move, to the previous move before. So that's the middle of the agreement, middle area of agreement. That's the market moving sideways on the daily time frame. Now we look at the 4-hour. What did the 4-hour say? Okay, we come to the 4-hour now. We see that the market, after the inside day, a trading range, a tight trading range, broke out of that trading range. Okay, give us a bear pin hammer closing near its low. It is imperative to sell the open of the next candle underneath the moving average. So we come to the 1-hour. We see that every time frame has different candlestick patterns. So we break out 1, 2, 3 continuation. Okay, now this is in the ebook, the newly added trading pattern, the entry pattern in the ebook. Those of you who don't have the ebook, do well to purchase and watch the videos on WAP. I've put a lot of very important information on there for you guys to see. Congratulations to traders who are already members and who are seeing these opportunities and taking them. Today Jonathan made me very proud with GBP USD. He sold that market. Congratulations. I was in here and I held till this level. I've closed out of this market after seeing this buy here. Okay, now it's very important to close at this point. So take the money and run. Do not hold on to trades that are minutiae, that are going nowhere. Okay, so you can see a 3-bar pullback before a continuation to the downside. So double inside the those of you who have Stacey's playbook, look at the playbook there. He has the topic on inside days. Look at the double inside days. It's called the inside. Presents trend trades, especially when you see a double inside day, you expect the market to collapse in the direction of that initial movement, especially when you notice for experienced traders that the bears have taken over that market. You see, if you look at the chart, there are so many bear bars rather than bull bars. So congratulations to traders who saw this and executed it. Now let's take a look at some 3-day setups that presented themselves today. GBP Aussie 3-day setup, blowing off in the direction of the trend. But when the market reverses, very good. We broke out of the high of the year. You can see that label there. Yeah, so I was in here, breakout, pull back, 1, 2. This was my entry around this level. Okay, boom, to the sky. We closed, take the money and run. If you notice, sorry guys, all the way here. You can see 127 pips. From this behavior, when you see this candle like this, behaving like this, just know that that move is coming to an end, and we saw the market reverse to the opposite side. Very good when it reverses like this. It's very important. It's a good information. We want to see the market react like this. So look at this, very simple. Day 1 low of the week inside it does not count. Day 2 and then day 3 giving us a trend continuation trade in Asia and the London session. Now you see here we have the US session reverse. We go back to our 4 hour, we start planning again. New month, new opportunities. Congratulations guys, the new month will present us better opportunities than what we have now. The market is out of balance. If you didn't enter in Asia and London, please do not bother struggling with this market anymore. GBP, NZD, as a new month unfolds, we will get very good opportunities in the market. 3-day setup again here. Okay, day 1 inside the day 2, day 3 Asia, London blow off, breakout, pullback, continuation. You can see that if you didn't enter in Asia, you should be able to enter in the London session. Okay, above a pullback, completely above the moving average, and boom, to the opposite direction. So trend expansion, the market has reversed, putting in a new high. Okay, so a new month is about to start. We'll see very good opportunities evolving from this level that we are in right now. But take your time guys, study Al Brooks. He's Stacey's mentor. Like I said, I'll repeat myself over and over again. That is Stacey's mentor. But first of all, to prove to you guys that that is his mentor, I want to play a video from Stacey's YouTube for you guys. Let's see a very brief video history, just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, good.
If you have multiple trading accounts,
head over to YouTube
and type Aerobase Red Magic Channel in the search bar.
Books, reading price charts, buy bar, 20 period moving average, mainly over time. One of the biggest things I learned from studying Al Brooks, if you haven't read Al Brooks's books, reading price charts, buy bar by bar, excellent books. And one of the key things that I took away from Al Brooks is don't go against the moving average.
Now you've heard that for yourself. Stacey, like I said, is a combination of masters of trading, the best in the game, the godfather of price action trading. Al Brooks, he knows a lot. He has a lot of mentors, Peter Brands, a whole lot of guys that this guy Stacey knows, a whole lot of stuff he's not showing out there, but trying to twist those terms to make it look like he invented it. No, he never invented it. He learned from his mentors, and this is what we are doing. We are learning from Stacey to take out there to show other people who are coming up, because we know more than them. So if you have the opportunity to decode Stacey's work perfectly to help somebody, I encourage you guys to also do that. If you can decode Al Brooks and see what Stacey has changed from Brooks to his course, if you can decode it and help people, so people will not be confused about calls. The next video I will make is for beginners on my YouTube who are just starting out to trade. I'll show you guys all you need to trade like Stacey Burke. May the markets go with you 1% better every single day. The link to the videos on WAP and the ebook for entry patterns, for experience, for traders who already have been following Stacey for a while and they don't really understand. The link is in the description. Do well to like this video, share. May the markets go with you. God bless you and happy new month in advance. Thank you.